Hi there, today we're going to talk about place value and regrouping. So place value, a quick review. If we have the number 31, the 3 here actually means 30, or 3 tens. The 1 right here is the same as 1, or 1, 1. So we're going to be looking at different numbers today and see if they can be regrouped. So now let's look at this word regrouping. Regrouping means to move something from the ones to the tens or the tens to the hundreds if it is over 9. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones, and then we add one more 1 or 10 ones, it's no longer a 1, it's a 10. There are 10 of them in here. So if I add 7 ones plus 3 ones, we have the number 10. We have 1 10 and no ones. So if we add some 10s and some 1s together, we might need to regroup to make them more 10s and less 1s. Let's take a look. Imagine we have 3 10s. And we have 13 ones. Can we change that over so that we have more 10s and less 1s? Well, 3 10s is the same as 30. And 13 ones is really 10 and 3. So if we have 10 and 3, we have a 10 here. So can we change this around so that we have more 10s and only a few 1s? Well, yes, we can. We now can add that 10 to these 10s to make it 40, and we have just this 3 left over, which we have here. Now 40 is the same as 4 10s, and 3 is the same as 3 1s. So if we regrouped, we change that 10 over to this 10 here. That's our 4 10s, and we have our 3 1s left over. We've regrouped. We've added the extra 10 back in there. Now, is 3 10s and 13 1s the same as 4 10s and 3 1s? Well, yes, it is. Let's try this with another. So now that we know what place value is and regrouping, let's see if we can find the value of different numbers, even if we have to regroup. So we have this number, 4 10s and 16 1s. What's the value of this number? Well, if we regrouped, you should find that our value is 56. Let's walk through it and see how I found that out. So here we have 4 10s, and here we have 16 1s, or 1 10 and 6 1s. We can put those 2 10s together. So if we bring this 10 over here, it becomes 5 10s. And then all we have left over is the 6 1s right here. Bring that down, and we have the number 56. Great job. Let's try another. What would the value of 7 10s and 4 1s be? What would 7 10s and 4 1s be? If you said 74, pat yourself in the back. Did we need to regroup? No, we didn't. We just had to combine the two numbers. So 7 10s is the same as 70, and 4 1s is the same as 4. 70 and 4 make 74. Nice job. For review, let's do this word problem. What is the value of 6 10s and 14 1s? So if we look at these, see if you need to regroup. Notice if there are multiple 10s. If you got the answer of 74, you did a great job. If we look here, 6 10s is the same as 60. And here we have 14 ones. 14 ones is 110 and 4 ones. We can add 60 plus 10 to get 70, and then add 4 more on. So 60 and 10 is 70 plus 4. 70 plus 4, we get a value of 74. Nice work. Today we've been practicing place value and regrouping. Sometimes you will be adding tens with ones, and the ones will have more than 9 ones. We have more than 9 ones, you need to regroup. Great job, and I can't wait to talk to you more about math soon.